Welcome to EPSC Rainbow previous class study about Indian polity and the political system. Basic UPSC prelims question. So let us start with today Union government. You know that in Union government we study about the parliament system and especially for the president, council of minister, lower house, upper house and many authorities such like Attorney General of India, CAG, etc. So let us start with the basic prelims questions. Under which Ministry of Indian Government the National Disaster Management Authority comes? You know that National Disaster Management Authority is by set up by Disaster Management Act 2005 under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So answer is B. Consider the following statements are correct. The Controller and Auditor General of India is an authority established by the Constitution of India under Chapter 5 who audit all receipt and expenditure of Government of India and the state government. Statements are correct. The Controller and Auditor General shall not be eligible for further office either under the Government of India or under the Government of any state. If she has ceased to hold the office. These statements are correct. The CAG is ranked ninth, enjoy the same status of the Judge of the Supreme Court of India, order to President. These statements are also correct. Asking correct statements 1 to 3, answer is D. The President shall be elected by the members of an electoral college consisting of elected members of the both House of Parliament, yes, elected member of the Legislative Assembly of a state, yes, elected member of Legislative Council of their state. These statements are incorrect. Asking what correct statements 1 and 2, answer is A. Legislative power is constitutional vested in the Parliament of India, of which the President is head, yes. A bill passed by the Parliament can become law. These statements are incorrect. Without the assent of the President, the Parliament bill passed do not itself become the law. The President can return a bill to the Parliament if it is not a money bill or a constitutional amendment bill or for reconsideration. These statements are correct. When after reconsideration the bill is passed, the presented to the President with or without amendment, the President is obliged to assent it. These statements are correct. The President cannot withhold his her assent to a bill when it initially presented to him her rather than to return the Parliament. These statements are incorrect because President can withhold that. So asking about correct statements, so 1, 3, 4 are correct statements, so answer is C. Consider the following statements about the appointment process of the President and how the President appoints Governor of the state, yes, Chief Justice and other judges, yes, Attorney General, yes, CAG, yes, Chief Election Commissioner, yes, Chairman and other member of UPSC, yes, Ambassador and High Commissioner of the countries, yes. So all of they were correct statements. So answer is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Consider the following statements are correct. A money bill originates in the Parliament, but only if the President recommends them. These statements are correct. He or she present the annual budgets and supplementary budget before Parliament, yes. No money can be introduced in the Parliament without his or assent, yes. The President appoints a finance commission for every 5 years, not 6 years. So these statements are incorrect. Contingency Fund of India is at disposal of the President. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements. So 1, 3, 4, 5 are correct statements. 1, 2, 3, 5 are correct statements. So answer is A. Consider the following statement with regard to judicial power of the President. President appoint the Chief Justice of India, Union Judiciary, other judge on the advice of the collegium system. These statements are incorrect. He or she dismiss the judges if and only the Lok Sabha passed resolution These statements are incorrect because it is required to removal of judge by passing both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. If the President consider a question on the law on the matter public importance and urgent, he or she can seek advice to the opinion of Supreme Court. These statements are correct. Asking what incorrect statements, answer 1 and 2, answer is B. Consider the following statements with regard to the diplomatic power of President of India. All international treaties and agreements are negotiated and concluded on the behalf of President. Yes, the President represents India in international forums and affairs such as function is chiefly ceremonial. Yes, the President may also send and receive diplomats, that is the officer from the Indian Foreign Office Services. Yes, the President is the first citizen of India. Yes, so all of the above statements are correct. So answer is D. Consider the following statement with regard to military power of the President of India. The President is the Supreme Commander of Defense of India. Yes, the President can declare war or conclude peace without the approval of Parliament. These statements are incorrect because need approval of the Parliament. All important treaties and contracts are made in the name of President. Yes, she also appoint the head of the armed forces. Yes, asking what correct statements. So 1, 3 or 4. So answer is C. The President is empowered to the power to the grant pardon if punishment is for offence against internal law. Yes, punishment by military court. Yes, punishment by this extent also. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Consider the following statement where the state emergency can be imposed by the Article 356. Yes, by the Article 365. Yes. So answer is C. National emergency can be declared on the whole of India or part of its territory because on the case of war, armed rebellion and external aggression. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Consider the following statements. Emergency and cause of emergency. In 1962, in the Indo-China War, the cause of emergency due to war. In 1971, again Indo-Pak War, and cause is the war. These statements are incorrect. In 1975 is the internal statement. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements 1 and 3. So answer is C. The President is empowered to declare a national emergency only under the Article 352. And so answer is A. Consider the following statements correct with reference to Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of India is Chief of the Government. Yes. Chief Advisor of the President of India. Yes. Head of the Council of Ministers. Yes. The leader of the majority party in Parliament. Yes. Leader of the executive, legislature and judiciary branch of government. These statements are incorrect because a leader of the legislature branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is A. Consider the following statements are correct. Condition which debar any eligible citizen from contesting president election are: President shall not be member of either house of the parliament or the house of legislative of any state. Yes. The President shall not hold any office of deputy. Yes. So 1 or 2 are correct statements. So answer is B. Consider the following statements are correct. The President may be removed before the expiry of the term through the impeachment process. Yes. The President can be removed for the violation of the Constitution of India. These statements are incorrect. The process may start in either by 2 houses of the parliament. Yes. Asking about the correct statements. The House initiated the process by labeling the charge against President. Yes. The resolution of the impeachment President has passed by special majority, that is 2/3 of majority of total number of members of originating House. These statements are correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. 4, 5 questions. So answer is D. Consider the following statements are correct. Since the Indian Constitution does not provide any time limit within which the President is to declare his assent or refusal, the President should exercise a pocket veto or not taking any action to indefinite time. These statements are correct. Pocket veto was used in 1986 by the president in the jail scene in the postal bill. These statements are correct. Asking about correct statements, 1 to are correct statements. So answer is A. Consider the following statements are correct. Incorrect. The Attorney General of for India is a Indian government chief legal advisor and is primarily to the lawyer of the Supreme Court, not High Court. She must be person qualified to the appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court. Yes. Attorney General is necessary for the giving advice to the government of India in legal matter. Refer to him her. Yes. Attorney General has the right to audience in the all courts of as well as right to vote. These statements are incorrect. Right to participate when these statements are true. Partially correct. Incorrect. So asking about incorrect statements 1 and 4. So answer is B. Consider the following. The Attorney General can accept briefs but cannot appear against the government. Statement correct. He she cannot defend an accused in the criminal proceedings except the directorships of the company without the permission of the government. These statements are correct. Asking about the correct statements, so 1 and 2, so answer is C. In the parliament system, executive is responsible to legislature, so these statements are correct, so answer is B. Indian ministers are responsible to the parliament, so answer is C. A minister who is not a member of the either house of the parliament shall not continue as a minister more than 6 months, so answer is A. The union minister shall make each before the president. This statement, so answer is C. All the executive action of the government of India shall be in the name of the president, so answer is A. Who among the following shall communicate to the president all decision of the council of minister as per the article 78? Prime minister, so answer is A. Who among the following has the cabinet rank? That is the deputy chairman of the planning commission, now is the Niti Aayog, so answer is C. Which of the following articles deal with the Union Council 74 to 75? Answer is A. Thank you for that.